Okay, this one's for Gabby.
High above the chimney top, that's where